Somewhere along the way, productivity stopped being a tool and quietly became a substitute for peace. Not because you chose it, but because the world rewards movement more than stillness, output more than honesty, busy more than balanced. At first, it felt harmless. A to-do list to stay organized. A routine to stay on track. A little pressure to stay motivated. But slowly, peace became something you postponed. What needs to be done? Your worth became measurable. Hours worked. Tasks completed. If the day was full, it was a good day. Silence felt uncomfortable. Stillness felt like falling behind. Doing nothing felt like wasting potential. Peace became suspicious. Like something lazy people had. Like something you couldn't afford. You learned to stay busy not because you loved the work, but because productivity kept the noise away. As long as you were doing something, you didn't have to feel everything. The quiet sadness you couldn't name. No pauses. Not because you didn't need rest, but because rest would force you to face yourself. But here's the truth no one tells you. Productivity can organize your life, but it cannot calm your nervous system. It can keep you moving, but it cannot make you feel safe. It can help you build a future, but it cannot replace presence. Peace doesn't come from finishing everything. It comes from allowing yourself to exist even when nothing is being produced. You are not behind because you're tired. Or to deserve calm. You don't need to earn your right to slow down. You are allowed to choose peace even when the world tells you to keep moving, even when the list is unfinished, even when tomorrow is waiting, even when productivity whispers that stopping is dangerous. Peace isn't something you fall into later. It's something you gently reclaim. One pause, one breath, one moment of permission at a time.